Welcome everybody to Third Thought, my new YouTube channel. Anyway, today I'm talking about Citizen Trump. It's funny how, in the media, how all these Republicans went about calling Trump President Trump, President Trump, President Trump, President Trump, as if he was still president. Well, finally, the appeals court put on the place the rule against him, says he does not have presidential immunity throughout the he doesn't currently have presidential immunity, and he didn't have it for his crimes either. So it was actually kind of a shocking decision, especially that it was 3-0, not one ruled in his favor. It was actually kind of surprising. But yeah, if I was Trump at this point, if I'm not successfully able to appeal to the Supreme Court to get the Supreme Court to either issue a stay or a review or something, I'll be strongly considering fleeing to Russia if I still want my freedom. Because the chances are, if he gets the January 6th trial, if he actually goes through it, there's a really, 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 really good chance he's going to be convicted. If he's convicted felon, I don't know how that works as a presidential level, but I don't really think you can actually run as a presidential candidate if you're a convicted felon. I believe that there's got to be some sort of bar or something where they got to kind of ban you or something or another. But yeah, if he does that, yeah, if he loses, that if the Supreme Court don't hear him out or so forth, I have a feeling he's going to get convicted before the presidential election. And if that's the case, he's going to be trying to conduct his presidential campaign from the jail cell. He'd be the first presidential candidate to try to conduct a presidential campaign from a jail cell. I don't see how in the world he's going to be able to conduct that or to perform that. Now, that's going to be one interesting thing. But yeah, if I was him, if he doesn't succeed with the Supreme Court thing, I would just go ahead and flee Russia, because he's going to get it, because everybody that's in power is committed to convicting him. Where or not he actually intended to incite the insurrectionists to riot or to cause their insurrection, whether or not he intended to or not, they're going to go after him. They're going to prosecute him for this, and he's going to get nailed. He's going to get nailed hard. So if I was him, yeah, I'd definitely flee. That would be the common sense thing to do. But then again, people like Trump got such big egos; they think they're going to win no matter what. He might be crazy enough. He probably is crazy enough. He's going to try to stay throughout the entire trial, knowing him. So yeah, he's probably going to end up in a jail cell trying to conduct a presidential campaign from his federal prison cell. But yeah, I would think it'd be definitely better to just flee. If it was me, if I did something like that, yeah, I would definitely be thinking like, oh, let's get the heck out of here. Let's just take off. But yeah, that's a pretty bad situation. Thank God I never voted for this man in neither election. And to tell you the truth, I didn't really vote the last two elections, presidential elections. But I'm glad I didn't. I thought about voting for Trump, but now I'm glad I really didn't, because it would make me look bad. Thank God. But this next current presidential election, if I do vote, I think I'll be one of those Republicans for Biden. Not that I like Biden. I don't agree with some of his politics. I don't agree with a lot of his politics, because I'm afraid that he's going to probably lead to World War III. But then again, what choice you got? You got between one idiot or the other. And the third candidate, how they play things. The third candidate is not going to be able to muster up enough votes to overthrow the other two. So, between the two idiots, I guess I'll vote for Biden, even though he's probably going to lead to World War III with Russia, But yeah, I guess I would go with Biden because, I can't see myself voting for a convicted felon. Anyway, I appreciate you guys listening to Third Thought. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, my intake of the Citizen Trump ordeal. Yeah, I just thought it's funny that these Republicans kept on calling him President Trump, President Trump, President Trump, as if he was still president when he was kicked out of office. And now finally the courts put it in his place and said, no, he ain't no president. He's citizen Trump. He's a citizen. Anyway, appreciate you guys listening to Third Thought. Have a good day. Or good night. Bye-bye.